Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is an SX Cutlass. That's a 2-barrel on a 455. It's all numbers matching. Twilight blue was the original color, and that's what it's painted now. The car's very low mileage. It's got the correct numbers matching block, transmission, whole 9 yards. The interior's beautiful, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna get it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We're gonna pop the hood and fire up that motor. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna put the top up and down. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Oldsmobile investment. So come on up and we'll fire it up for you right now. So check this beauty out, man. One of 793 ever built. So that makes this car pretty freaking rare. The chrome on the front bumper looks good. The grill's in beautiful shape. The bezels on the headlights look good. And that color, twilight blue, guarantee you're not gonna pull into a car show and park next to another one this color. This is really rare, guys. This is the original color. Now the hood's lined up real nice. Wheel lip moldings look great. Love those Magnum 500 tires on there. All the moldings around the windshield are in good shape. All the moldings here, it looks like all these whiskers are in beautiful shape. Door handle looks great. Look how the door fits here. Now maybe just a little tighter at the bottom than it is at the top, but it's nice and flush just like it should be. Door jamb's nice and clean. You see that door latch looks like it was out when they restored the car. Beautiful paint work in here. Rubber looks good. Door panel looks great. Floorboards look awesome. All the carpeting looks good. Center console looks good. The upholstery on the seats is in beautiful shape. Now we do have 3 seat belts in the back. When we get it outside, we're gonna put the top up and down. Plus, if you wanna check out pictures of the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. The car does have electric windows. It does have electric power top. Look at that dash. Looks beautiful. It's in great shape. This car was very well cared for throughout the years. She's gorgeous, guys. I've actually already driven this car. Oldsmobiles just drive so fantastic. So much different than the Chevrolets. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. Taillight lenses look great. I love those trumpets on the exhaust there. Looks so cool. Look inside the trunk. We even got a Magnum 500 spare. Lug wrench here. Hole inside of the trunk's all coated, looking great. She's beautiful. Back sides of the quarters look good. All the gutters here around the opening of the trunk, nice and clean. Bottom side of the deck lid's all nicely painted. Even the lights working in the trunk. Look down the side of the car. Look how nice and straight that is. The body work on this car is phenomenal. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Oldsmobile. Right now we've got a little over 220 cars in stock, and we own every one of those cars. So you can bet we spent the time and checked it out before we bought them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can answer any question you have about the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he can tell you anything you need to know about this beautiful car. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, so what that means to you is you're getting my 35 plus years of experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in Oldsmobile's secret weapon. Got this Olds SX. I don't know if you guys know the story on these, but It's basically a 442. They just named it SX and changed a couple little things so the insurance company couldn't rape you over the coals about the thing being a 442. So it's actually the cheap way to go in Oldsmobile. Top goes down, still got a 455 under the hood. Just an amazing car right here too. The restoration on the car is off the chart. You're gonna love it when we park this dream in your driveway. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are shipping experts. We can ship this SX Oldsmobile anywhere in the world. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Now, if you need some help with financing, we can help you out there too. No problem whatsoever. We got 3 bankers we work with. We can hook you up with a banker with about a 15-minute phone call, and it's as good as in your driveway, guys. So call Tom anytime. He's answering his phone 7 days a week, practically 24 hours a day. If that man is awake, he's answering his phone. Give him a call. He'll tell you all about this beautiful car. Now look down here on the dash. Looks like the speedo's working, our fuel gauge is working. We got a water temp down here. It looks like it's got the stock radio in it. We'll put the top down for you here when we get back to the shop. It does have electric top, and it looks like it's got high and low wipers here. The wipers are working. Just an amazing, and even the horn's working. I mean, the car is sweet, guys. Now we're right outside the Motor City. We're only 20 minutes from the airport, so if you'd like to fly in and check out this beautiful Olds, we'd love to have you. Now we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, so we don't get to meet a lot of our customers. So we love it when guys come in and check out cars because we love meeting our customers. Also, we're here on Saturdays, so if you're the type that'd like to drive in, you want to drive in on a Saturday, we're here till 3. Just call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can have your favorite vehicle right up front so we can get at it. We do have 80,000 square feet indoors, and we do have over 220 cars. So it does get pretty full in here. So we got to make sure we get the car out for you so we can check it out. Now we're going to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're going to put this car up on the lift so you can check it out underneath, and then we're going to pop the hood and see what's going on under the hood too. All right, we're underneath this Cutlass now, and man, she is just as nice underneath. You can see the trunk floor's painted body collar, the tank's brand new, the exhaust is brand new, the drop downs look good, the plugs are all new, the body mounts are all new. We got right around a 260 gear in here. It is a posi. It looks like all the bushings are new, the sway bar, the shocks. Now the guys will pull the brakes all apart and make sure they're in good working order. You can see the frames all painted up nice. Lower control arms are the reinforced control arms. Upper control arms also look like they've got new bushings. I got new brake lines, new parking brake, new fuel lines, new vapor line. Everything going to the front looks brand spanking new. Drive shaft's got a great looking paint job on it. It's got inspection marks on it. U-joints look good. Of course, the floorboards here, again, body collar looking great. And look at the paint work on this frame. She's gorgeous. Turbo 400 trans. I always check the low areas in the frame. I don't think you have to worry about this car. It's so clean. But if you're out looking at one of these cars, always check these low areas where the holes are. We got disc brakes up front. Rotors look like they're brand new. Calipers look new. Flex lines look new. Ball joints look new. The bushings on the sway bars look new. Springs look new. The shocks look new. Tie rod ends look new. I mean, you see a theme here yet? Everything's new. Front frame horns look straight as an arrow. All the plastic closeouts up here look great. Bottom side of the motor's nicely painted. It does have exhaust manifolds on it. They have been painted with that bare metal paint, and along with the gearbox here, it's got that bare metal paint on there. Chrome right down to the bottom edge is looking good. Everything about the car is beautiful, guys. I tell you, you're gonna have to invest in some mirrors when you go to a car show because you're gonna want to show off the bottom side of this car. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, we got Magnums up here, the Oldsmobile Centers. BFGs on the tires, 225/70 14s up front. Wheel up moldings look good. You get your light there. Look at this wheel well. Look how nice and clean all that is. And look at that frame and the bottom side of the front fender. This car is gorgeous, guys. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, let's see, 255/60 15s where the power's hitting the ground. Again, the magnums look good, the caps look good, the moldings look good, the wheel wells look great. I mean, it's an amazing car. Look at these pinch welds on the bottom sides of the rockers. Look at that frame. Then that brand new bushing up there on the body. This is an amazing car, guys. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, everything under here is numbers matching. It's amazing. Now it does have an Oldsmobile 4-barrel and intake on it, 4-barrel intake. Now the previous owner is sending us the original 2-barrel intake and carburetor for the car. So we should have that as long as he does what he says he's gonna do. Now the cross-flow radiator looks good. Car does have air conditioning. We do have power boosters, so we do have power brakes. We do have power steering. Everything under here looks original, guys. The wiring looks good. The trans is numbers matching. The motor's numbers matching. It's a really rare car. It's a really rare color. It's done to the nines. I tell you, the bottom side is the best looking bottom side of an Oldsmobile I've seen in a long time. It drives amazing. The top goes down. I mean, we've even got chalk marks under here. Look at that, number 246. Hood pins work great. Everything about the car is amazing, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.